Okay, and here's part two. This will be separate from the other estimate. There are a lot of small dead branches hanging here near the bottom that we could reach with the pole saw and a ladder. So we're going to try and get those. And then we'll also include a separate estimate to go ahead and cut this back to right here. So you're taking this whole branch out. And then this is of course right here on the road, so it'll require a little finesse, because it is going to be part of what you're cutting off is right there hanging out over the road. A lot of it is actually. One more shot from a distance perspective. It is a pretty big branch. I would say 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. It's about a 25-foot long branch. And of course it's split, so it's actually several large branches. That is it.